Hi everyone, today I have created an animals frame using only variables interaction without any prototype links. Let's see how we can create like this. Create new collection called flowers. Create new variable as string. Name the variable as flower name. In the value, I add default value as lotus. Let's create flower components. Here I created 3 variants with names Lotus, Daisy, and Rose. So the fun part is here. Click the flower instance, you can see the variable icon, select and set to flower name. Now click the button, go to prototype. On click, set variable to flower name and add expression to variant name. Make sure you use the same name of the variants, otherwise it won't work. So variant name is to be same. Do the same for prototype for other buttons. For daily I'm setting variable to be changed to Daisy, name of the Daisy flower variant. Do the same for Rose, set variable to. Okay, let's preview it. That's it. We have created an interactive prototype without any links, only with variables.